you for tuning in into my channel where you find all about mixed media, art journal, collage, assemblage and anything else that sparks my interest. Hi, my name is Bea Grob and I'm glad you are here. Hey all, welcome back to my next art journal spread. It's not a bread, it's a spread. Anyway, I have this girl since a while here. I think I'm nearly done now with faces, which I haven't painted, not sure. I also want to use this napkin here and I think it fits well. And I'm gonna use my water tank brush to cut it back the way I want it. Here we go. Maybe here's something like that. And as you can see, I have leftover paint spread on the page. And I think I'm gonna use the spray adhesive just to make life a little bit easier. If I have big pieces of napkin, I kind of like this spray for putting it up without wrinkles. I don't always want the wrinkles. And now I'm gonna go over with matte medium. That was enough. So I'm gonna mix a little bit of phthalo green blue shade, which is a gold blue, doesn't matter, and some of this brilliant blue from Amsterdam. And that's too big of a brush, I want the small one. I'm gonna mix it a little bit. I'm gonna use the same blue-green for her eyes. And for her dress. There's something that doesn't belong here. Now for her hair, I think I'm gonna mix a little bit of this Indian yellow hue and a little bit of orange, maybe, just a tad. If there is, no, there is.
And I'm also gonna add, I have already added the quinacridone magenta to some of the flowers and her cheeks. And actually I know, just remember I also need it for her lips. I'm also gonna add some to the flowers. So just to tie the whole thing together. My usual mixture of any skin tone with glazing medium. As usual, I go over the whole face except the eyes. And I'm not doing it neat and nice. Rather rough. Here we go. I think that's already it for the face. But I do want to use some stencils also. Not sure if I'm liking that. Much better. I would say not very successful. And yes, I'm gonna leave it in the video, but I'm gonna work on it. So let's try with some gesso. Yeah, I'm liking that better. Let's try that over here again with gesso. That's more what I'm looking for. here we are. That was a quick, easy project. Sometimes we need those quick, easy projects just to have a little bit of fun. I hope you enjoyed this little art journal spread, and I hope to see you soon again. Take care. Bye.